Hi, my name is Natalie, welcome to Fitfully Vintage. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a vintage inspired pin-up-esque updo using hair combs like these. If you would like to comment combs in the comment section down below. Try again. This style requires 3 of them and there is something quite important about the clips that you use. If you have average to thick hair, I really suggest that you look for the combs with this kind of space in between each, are they called tines or prongs? I don't know, but these kind of double ones. Let me show you ones that aren't double. These are the kind of naff versions. They don't hold as well as these double pronged ones. I guess if your hair is thinner then you can get away with these ones, but certainly my hair's thick and I'd suggest if you can, I mean if you've got thin hair also, I think these ones will work well. They just grip a lot better, so go for these ones over, dropped it, over these ones. Okay. So you're going to start with a nice deep centre parting to your hair. This is going to be on show, so you might like to keep it nice and straight. And towards the side with more hair, you're going to twist against your hairline away from your face, incorporating hair as you go down to your ear. I'll show you again how to do that. So you rake the hair away from your face and then using your thumb incorporate bits of hair from your hairline as you travel down from the top of your head towards your ear. And once you get to your ear level, you're going to make sure you separate the back of your hair away so it doesn't get knotty, and continue to twist. Just 3 or 4 twists down the length, and then pull up and away from your face, bye crow's feet, and insert the first hair comb. You catch a little bit of the twist and then flip the comb whilst pulling on the tail of that twist and pushing the comb. You'll find it very, very secure. Apologies for my whirring computer fan, by the way. Then repeat this process on the other side. Twist down to the ear, a few twists down the tail of that piece of hair, and then you pull it up and back away from your face. This is so that the third comb doesn't interfere with the 2 top ones. And insert the comb in the same fashion, catching a little bit of the twist and then flipping the comb and pushing down. You can see my hands doing it there, that's a terrible shot. But I'm just pulling on the tail and pushing the comb in, and that keeps them really nice and secure. I find the hair directly behind my ears puffs out for this style if I don't complete the next step, which is just securing the 2 pieces of hair behind each ear into a ponytail at the back of my head. Use a tiny band if you have one here so it doesn't interfere with the rest of the style. You're then going to take another small band and take the rest of the hair into a low ponytail. Twist the loose ends and wrap them around your finger and roll towards your head. Make sure you're tucking in any falling out ends as you go, and then again grab a bit of hair from that roll with the comb and push it towards your scalp, and that roll should fit very securely. That's really simple. You can adorn with flowers if you wish, or even stick flowers to your comb. You can volumise your twists just by pulling a little bit on them if they've become too flat to your head. And that is it, all done. thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you liked the video. Don't forget to click that like button if you did, and comment combs in the comment section down below if you use hair combs regularly. Also, where do you buy them from? You can also click that link in the space underneath this video for the step-by-step instructions to this hairstyle. Thanks again, bye.